Hi guys, it's Tim from Create-A-Lase and we're back again, finally! Alrighty-o. So today what we're going to do is have a little bit of a catch up, and we're going to just show you a bit of a process of one of our new little products that we've got here. You guessed it, Stubby Coolers! You might see on the internet lots of places where people are making Stubby Coolers, but this one is going to be our process, and it's just probably a little bit different to some of the others that you've seen, because most of the others get those flat type and they're just not very nice. Don't really like those ones, but this is how to make them, these good proper ones that are nice and round and looking really cool. So we don't want these flat ones with a little bit of a white edge on it, or just need to play around with that to get that little bit of a blur on there or something. But these ones don't have to do it. They're the good proper Stubby Coolers. You want to see that, don't you? Alright guys, so yeah, I really want to apologise for being away for so long. It's just that starting up that new shop, it's just really taken my time away. Haven't been able to get back to these videos. So what we need to do is try to prioritise some things, trying to keep our jobs flowing, keep our income coming in so we can support this new shop, and at the same time have a little bit of room to be able to post some videos a little bit more regularly. We just need to make sure that we can get some little instructional videos and a few little tips and tricks and things that we can do. So today, we're going to play around with these Stubby Coolers. And you have a look at that, if I can get it in focus. They're really nice looking, really clean. And if you want to see this process, we're just going to have to follow along. There we go. Come on, you gotta make sure that you subscribe. Come on, get in there. That's right, come on. Rightio guys, so one of the little things that you noticed, if you've seen in that video just there, we've made up this little bit of a laser cut tray which helps hold them out. So the other methods that we've seen is you can lay down 2 books on either side and then put another heavy book on top of that, and you can slide them in through the same way, which does the same thing as what this tray does. It'll still work, it'll still hold the crease up nicely, but this way here we just make them so we've got in batches of 5, and we can make a couple of these things, and then that way we just stack them all away and let them all dry and let them all glue. So it's a cool little setup. What we've done is we've just made up a little panel so we can see where the seam is and make sure it's all nicely glued down. Like I've got one sitting here, like I've got a little single one. So there's a little single one just here, and there's one inside of it. So what we do is you can see the seam, well this one's to the side a little bit. So what we do is we just got these little lugs on the sides of it that clip onto there, and that's what locks it down and lifts that off of there, and then you're left with that little seam line there, and then that way it just stays in there and glues that little seam line. So you just pop it in there, fold it over, sit that down on top of it, make sure that seam's in where you want it to be, drop them on the sides of it, that just holds everything in place while it sets. Hey, that's right. If you haven't already, you've got to subscribe. That's right. Make sure you hit that bell icon down the bottom down there. Yeah, and get notified when there's new videos that's coming out, because we're in a new shop, new videos. It's going to be really cool. Come on, we've got to come in. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's right. Did you see this other one? This one here was in that other video just there. We just seen that we're popping down the caps on them, and what we made is this little round jig here. You probably use just a Coke can or something. It doesn't really matter, but we've made this one here just to fit exactly the right size. It expands that top of it open a little bit, so that way the bases don't stick to the sides and go in the wrong spots. And as it goes down, we set the little base down inside of it, then we can just sort of press the edges against each other and then slide it back off. Really easy. How cool is that? Gotta make one of these. Well, there you go, guys. We've finally made the stubby coolers, and they really come out really awesome. I just love them. They're really, really good. yeah, we might show you a couple more photos at the end. And yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you've learned something. You've seen that little bit of a process, the way we run through each one and the little jigs that we set up to do it. A little bit different way than what I've seen other places on other videos and things. So I just thought if we throw this video out there, it's just a different option for you. It's a different way to do it. And you can still do that book idea where you lay that down and fold them over, put that in there. But then doing the idea of one of these things, well, if you've got a laser cutter, you can make up a little box like this and fit it in there and be nice and easy. Otherwise, just a can or something, just anything that just really opens that up, just by that little tiny bit, just that way when it sticks down, it's not going to stick to the sides before you try to seal that down, because otherwise if that starts sticking to the sides first, it just makes it a bit messy. This here makes it nice, quick, easy, pop it in, pull it out, go to the next one, and it's a bit of a process line. So, or a bit of a production line, I mean. So, thanks for watching guys, and I'm glad to be back again and making more videos. We're going to start making a lot more in the future, so make sure you are subscribed down there and hit that bell icon to get notified when they do come out. I'm not sure about the frequency yet of videos that's going to be coming out. Hopefully we can get down to being weekly again. So yeah, I'd like to see you on that one. Got any other ideas or anything else that you want us to make? What other, mainly because we try to focus on laser engraving. We do a little bit of sublimation, but yeah, mostly laser engraving videos. What do you want to watch? Come on, right, let's go. See you on the next one. All right, see ya. Happy making.